How's it going, guys? Welcome to today's video. What's going to be going down is that the red CB7 has had an exhaust leak for the past year already, and I really haven't gotten around to changing it out or getting it re-welded. I'm gonna go ahead and say fuck it and do it my way instead of taking it in and spending more money. As you see, the blue coupe is behind me. I did have a new catalytic converter and piping and muffler re-welded in this car to get the smog completed. Go ahead and install the cat all the way to the muffler, putting it into the sedan. Another cool thing about this exhaust on the coupe is that it does have a dual tip muffler. Most of the Alex CB7s run single tip, I think it would just look good in general on the 91 sedan. So I'm gonna go ahead and I will uninstall this exhaust and I will put it into the red CB7. Show you what the exhaust sounds like on this sedan. So that's what it sounds like. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that and replace it. This will probably be the last time you'll ever see a single tip on my CB7. So I basically did everything I did earlier with the blue Accord. Took everything out, all the 3 bolts. And I'm taking off the hangers right now. All I need is these hangers on the muffler, and then it'll be straight to putting on the other exhaust system. Double tip exhaust. Look how clean that is. Makes the car look a little bit better than it was before with the single tip, and I like it because it actually goes out maybe about 1 inch or 2 inches from the bumper, and it gives it like a better look. But it looks really good, man. Look at that. I'd probably prefer it on this compared to the blue coupe that it came from. But I do have the old exhaust, so that single tip exhaust is going to go back on the blue car. But that's the outcome. I want to go ahead and start it to see what it sounds like. I gotta get my keys. No leaks. Yes, I'm so happy. Yes. Before, the exhaust on the single tip didn't work. I couldn't feel anything coming out of the muffler, but now I do. There's no leaks at all. Really quick before I let you go, I've made my choice of what car I want to keep, and I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate for this. A lot of people tell me I should keep the two-door because it's a rare two-door CB7. You know, I'm trying to be different than other people. I want this build to be unique. I want it to outstand every other build out there. So, and plus this car has a history behind it. It's been hit, it's been wrecked, it's been stolen. And it's been within the family since 1994, been brought home from the Honda dealer itself, and I would just hate to let it go. So I'm just gonna use the blue car as a parts car and a secondary vehicle to get around locally. But other than that, I can't wait to build the red car more and more. The exhaust sounds really good, and I'm really glad that, the outcome of it. That's pretty much it, guys. I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye.